Real de Bacolanga now with 12 set points and 2 blocks. Yan naman ang gusto mo, no? When you have a tall setter.
This I have missed. Micah Ortiz hammering the ball in the middle.
Talagang na-miss ng todo-todo yan ng UST.
Maizo and Ortiz. The UST law firm is in action. Basics.
Ito naman, this time it's San Sebastian having trouble with their defense.
Ang ending ng timeout nito, sasabihin ni Clint, receive muna tayo.
Sunod na, tinatarget ko. Tabalan nyo na yung receive. Hindi na tayo nakaalis. Dahil lang sa receive, bibigay mo na naman ng mababa. Para timing mo maigay para sabayan ka kahit dalawa na bumablock yung check. Kaya pag big quick, pag trisin mo lang kasi check. Para ko sumama.
Here at the arena in San Juan, the home of the Shakey's. Really glad you're with us, Samantha. Mosi Ravena here. We've got Rina Villamor taking care of the sidelines of the action here on this play date of the Shakey's B-League.
Malyari asking for a check. Wala raw, sabi ng dalawang referees natin.
Lakas ng palo niya eh.
Pero ang ganda nung nakapag-adjust naman sana siya, kaya lang flat yung pagkapalo dun sa it went long.
Kaya hindi bumaba eh, hindi sumalok eh.
Well, Ortiz now 6 attack points.
Wally says, bakit ko papalo eh?
Saka late na siya doon sa approach niya, so hindi niya na ni-risk. Just made sure.
Sarap na feeling pag nakaka-block ka, no? That's out.
Ito na naman, nagkagulo na naman ang depensa.
You know, I love watching Micah Ortiz pag wala pa yung bola sa kanya. Para siyang bundle of energy.
Kaliwa, akin na.
Kaliwa, kaliwa.
Bigay mo dito,
Layo.
Minsan sa team yan ang kailangan mo. Para nare-remind rin kayo, no? Kaya lang, hindi sa pagmagulo din.
Sige, magma. Papaluan ka.
Micah Ortiz really popped up at this point.
Yan ang kulit sa UST through the years eh. The last couple of years of late, bang! Yung kanyang energy. Time out. The Tigers ahead here, 21-12.
Well, speaking of Ortiz, 4 attack points in the second set. Jeng Boli with 6. Pero 7 errors na itong San Sebastian against the 5 of UST. Dagdagan mo na. Gawin na nating 7 yan si Jeng.
And Wally hammered it against the block. It ricocheted out. It is 13-21 as Malyari will be serving. Shakey's for fun, family, and pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Ara Malyari serve. Ang lakas talaga ng babaeng ito, no?
At ang ganda nung pwesto nung pagkakaserve. Sa akin kasi dalawa yan eh. Dalawang pwesto ang maganda. Yung dikit sa net na malapit. At saka yung dulong-dulo ng corner. Yung talagang halos walang nagbabantay. Kahit yung dalawang corners pa, kahit alin doon.
Kasi hindi mo pwedeng lagyan ng tao. Lagi bubutas yung gitna eh. Kailangan tusok yun eh. Close to the net. Adjust, touch, yes. It'll go to UST.
Another error on the side of Lady Stags. Masyadong madaming errors dito sa second set.
Too many really. 22-14. UST has managed to keep away the upsurge of Baste to get back into the set. Wally, papaluin kaya. Makulangan with the set. Pinaluan sa kabila.
Maizo. Kaliwin. Ganda ng pagkaka-cross court as we will take a look at it once again. Strong side eh.
Sabi niya, sige na, ayaw ko na tumalon ulit. Sige na. Stay down, stay down. Kinakausap yung bola. Oh!
Another error on the reception.
Now that's where the hamstring injury becomes a problem. Because it's an injury that needs time to heal, and Rina will tell us that because this is her professional training. Pag umaatras siya dyan, parang may kuryente yan eh. And she couldn't move back, and she in fact has some tape on that left hamstring of hers.
Chance for UST to take this set.
And they do.
Aisa Maido down the line.
And this match is tied in the number of sets. San Sebastian took the first one. And now UST growling back to take the second. Here's our shake and play. We'll have more great volleyball from the V-League. Pagkatapos lang po nito.